What's up, everyone? This is how I lost. I lost $264 today. Yeah, so on NQ we have fat SMT, we have high time frame SMTs that just keep being put in. We have SMT up here, bam, bam, bam. This took out highs, this didn't. But basically, I took the trade on NQ. I took trade on both, bro. It's just fucking. Price action's just been fucking dookie shit, bro. I shouldn't have even taken a trade, bro. That's what I get, pretty much. So it's okay. I only lost $200, so we could have lost way more. We just made like, see, look, and we made $500 on the one trade that we did have. But basically, sell side got swept. We have this sell side got swept right here. High time frame. This was like an hourly area of liquidity that got swept. Look, we swept that out over on here. We did not. We have this. We did not sweep it out. Or wait, what the fuck would that even be? That's that candle. Holy shit. That is a crazy SMT. Look at that. That's a crazy SMT. We have this SMT all the way up here. Look at that. That is fucking insane. Huge SMT. Goodness, bro. Okay. Well, after we swept sell side, on here we had a 15-minute breaker structure, which on ES we swept this little accumulation. We didn't even get, but we did come down and we took out this right here. So I might thought that we are going to move to the upside. On here on the S&P, we did have a 15-minute break, which is where I entered, and then I entered it, re-entered again. So then that's why it looks like this. But I originally entered right here. Stops down here, targeting all the way back to all-time highs, with partials coming out. Low key, bro. I low key might enter again just because, like, bro. But the only thing is just like the higher time frame bias is just overall bearish right now. Like if we look at this, like we are overall bearish. We have broken 4-hour structure though, and previous 4-hour structure. Because as you can see, for a long time we were just rejecting off this gap. And then now, hopefully, if we could break past if we could get a close above these highs, I'll re-enter. But if not, I'm not touching that. I'm getting off the charts. I'm gonna go to the gym and then go, do something else. But oh my God, Bubs. But yeah, basically, high time frame liquidity sweep of sell side, 15-minute change in the state of delivery. We also have this gap right here. I believe this is a 5-minute gap, or what the fuck is that? A 30-minute gap? Who fucking knows, dude? I'm making fake gaps. There's not even a gap there. Man, it might have been a 1-minute gap. Well, it is. And see, so, okay, and then we have, so I'm probably not going to enter again. We have this 5-minute bearish. For value gap, get respected, and then continue moving to the downside. We have broken structure back to the upside on the 5-minute, but yeah, if we can't close above these highs, I'm not going to enter again. ES is low-key now looking promising whole time. I just want to see a closure above those highs. No. Are we going to push higher, or are we just going to? And then we also have an untapped gap right here. Still. What is that, a 4 hour? A 2 hour gap? Maybe it's a 30-minute gap. It must have been this 30-minute gap. But with that, you want to just go to the highest time frame. Highest time frame, hold the highest power. So really, it's just like a 2 hour gap right here. And we kind of came up into it and then continued moving down. So I don't think we're going to really be getting anything today. It just looks like chop work. Yeah, I just don't know. And then now we've made another gap right here. If we can come back into this and then see buying pressure out of it, I could potentially enter again low risk, but that's my only thing. And I'm trying to go to the gym and be done by like noon. And it's fucking 10:30. It's not gonna be the greatest, but I'll go run and I'll go work my core and shit like that. And I gotta stop over there. Yeah, so we have 2 minutes to close above that high. If we don't, I'm getting off and I'm taking my L and coming into the market tomorrow with a new mind. Or not a new mind, but it's a new day. Here, let's see if it's ass. Here we go. So y'all got that light on me now, man. Y'all can really see a motherfucker, man. Yes, sir, ski. Except my hair looks like ass. It's all good. Kind of look like I shit. Gotta look like I shit on myself for a living. It's all good though. We are having overly good motion on the app. Oh! Oh! Dude, I got AirPods that don't even work here, guys. This shit is fucked. Dude, they're so wide it makes the whole background dark. Look at that. Whoa, boy. That's nutty stuff. That's nutty behavior. These are the ones that are actually mine. Look at that, man. Yeah, and it doesn't look like we're... Okay. So it looks like we first rejected off that gap, and then now it looks like we're actually going to move down into there. Good peas, boy. Ooh. So really, this technically really isn't even a fair value gap because this candle's still forming. So it could move. The wick on the low could go lower. So we don't know, but now we do. We do have this 5-minute fair value gap that is they got respected. Hold on, it looks like it got respected. You have 2 candle wicks in the inside, almost hitting EQ, and then we see buying pressure out. Okay. Hold on. We might be cooking here. Hold up. Let's see if we can get a little EQ tap. Let's come down, get a little EQ tap. I'm in there. Huh. Dude, why are we just... what is up here that we are just overly rejecting off of? Just these highs, bro. Like, what fucking Asian highs? Or no, that'd be London highs. Or 18. Be 6 o'clock. That's London, I think. Okay. And then, wow, it's crazy. My EQ dumb shit actually worked. Except it would be like there. We just EQ of that for value gap, which is actually pretty fucking insane. Come on, Bubs. You know you wanna. There we fucking go, boys. There we fucking go. Hey, EQ, move higher. I'm real there. I'm gonna enter, but if I do though, I'm gonna enter and I'm gonna get the fuck out of here because I need to go to the gym. I need to go to the gym. And it's like, bro, why is it on 30 FPS? It is 70 fucking 8, bro. I still haven't even ate or anything. I have no coffee, bro. We're getting, it's pretty screwed. Okay, now just continue bullish and I'm back in there. Continue bullish, I'm back in now. Macro's over. Regularly charting session ends for me in like 5 minutes. I think I'm just gonna be off because this PA is just looking like shit, bro. And then especially with NQ took out, and then now NQ is just dumping, bro. And then yeah, it's not like we're gonna move all the way back up here anyway. There's no fucking way. It looks like we're just gonna chop. Okay, I'm gonna get off here, guys. I have things to do. I still haven't even ate for the fucking day yet, bro. I still literally haven't even ate. It's all good though. I'm gonna go get some food, hit the gym, do my thing, do my thing. And yeah, have a great day. Have a wonderful day, everybody. This is how I lost $260. Got stopped at break even. Then my ES trade got stopped at 60. Then my NQ trade got stopped at 204. So, and yeah, NQ is just dumping. NQ will probably come down and take out more areas of liquidity. I'm assuming now that it's on a path, it'll probably just keep going all the way down here. So, if we can pull out our daily move, I'm assuming we have that, but we could do that whole move. Technically, that would work, and then where EQ of that would be. So, yeah, it'll probably come down, take those lows, and then continue moving higher, if I'm being honest. And then ES is just chop work, bro. Yeah, but then we came all the way back down. Maybe we'll get rid of the SMT and take out the sell side. Who knows? I don't know. I'm off here though, guys. I made a 13-minute video for you fellas and ladies and gentlemen. I've literally been profitable. I've been profitable the past 4 months. I need to buy a funded so bad. I apologize, guys. I'm just in a sticky situation with my job. After I got like, I think you guys understand. Like after I go and do this, I trade, and then normally like that's why I haven't been able to post a lot of videos, guys, just because I work every single day, you know what I mean? I obviously have to make some kind of money, you know what I mean? But I'm honestly, I'm about to get a new job, okay? I'm about to get a new job, and I'm sorry that I'm like struggling through it, but I'm about to get a new job, and it'll only be up from there, guys. So, and that's what I really love about my situation, because I can't go down, dude. Oh my god, it looks like there's just shit everywhere, and that's like, bro, literally just because like, bro, I clean, I try to clean as I go, but bro, I do literally, legitimately do not have time to do any of that shit, you know what I mean? Like, bro, we are either trying to build something or we're, you know, getting to some money, so that's the only reason. But funded account is soon. I'm not gonna lie, I should be able to buy a funded account very soon. I should be starting to work at Amazon soon, which I'll be getting like $1,500 a week, which like right now, bro, I'm getting barely shit, so that's the only reason why I haven't bought a funded yet, just because, bro, I'm getting absolutely no fucking money for my job. So, but yeah, guys, I love you guys. You guys are amazing, man. Yeah, you guys see what I lost today. Still up 98 for the week, bro. But yeah, guys, if you guys look back through my channel, I've literally been profitable the past couple months. Like literally last month, in the month of July, I literally made like $7,000 trading, so you know I know that I can, you know, do this 100%. I just what I messed up on today was the higher time frame has been bearish, okay, and then we also have these big gaps. We also have these big gaps that we are kind of rejecting off of, but we do come down, we fill this, and then we do have this big day gap that's kind of been rejecting. So I'm like, okay, well maybe we will go and sweep buy side before coming and tapping into that, which was my kind of first thought. So then I jumped in and traded at after, you know, high time frame liquidity sweep, 15-minute break of structure, and then I was just targeting these highs up here because I was assuming that it's gonna come grab these and then move lower, and then because I was just gonna take partials there and then stops at break even, so I could have made a little bit of money. And then if it did continue to go upwards, I could have, you know, hit my full take profits. But the higher time frame bias needs to align or correlate with whatever your, you know, internal bias is, your 5 or 15, your 1 minute bias, and then we can see that we've just been on a steady downtrend. And for a 4 hour like this, it's not like we're just going to break structure and then shoot to the upside. We're going to have to sweep some kind of liquidity, which is probably what we're doing now. I feel like this will be a better PM session trade, to just be honest with you. But I'm gonna get off here, guys. My trading time is up. I don't really. I'm not. I mean, I'll continue looking on my phone if I see anything really spectacular. But yeah, we'll see. Because now on the internal time frames we are low key bullish, but no, and then we just had a break of structure back to the downside on the 5 minute. Yeah, so broke structure on the 30 minute. We did break structure on the hour, which is good, but then we have this huge wick up. Yeah, this huge fucking wick up that's just not good to look at. Yeah, I think I'm definitely off here. Oh, you guys couldn't even see the whole time. 1 hour bullish, but we have this big wick up that's, you know, rejecting off fucking whatever. I didn't even realize. Oh, look at this. Hour bearish. Not good. And that's what it's kind of rejecting off of. That's awesome. Okay. I love y'all. I'm out of here, though. Peace out, guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.